Welcome to Married to Portuguese. On each episode, my English-Irish husband, Bob, and I discuss and laugh about our life and adventures in the Portuguese culture. Hi, everyone.
Well, I didn't have time to get ready.
Oh, sorry.
Bon dia.
Oh, my goodness. Hi, everyone.
Better. You're so excited to talk.
I am so excited. I'm so excited.
It's summer.
Yes,
That's why.
It's just like right around the corner. Right around the corner. So I'm looking forward to it.
Officially, June 21st or 22nd, but
yeah, it's been feeling like summer lately anyway, so it's nice.
Summer enough. So what are we doing? What is on Green Bean's calendar this summer?
Oh my goodness. Well, family, spending time with family, some cookouts, going yard sales, maybe having a yard sale.
No, we're not going to do that.
Maybe. Going to...
I'm not in favor of this plan. Suddenly summer's taking a hard turn in the wrong direction.
Okay. Visiting, going down to the Cape, going down to Provincetown.
That sounds good. It's coming back up.
And seeing some of our friends that are down there. And then we definitely will be going to the Madeira Feast.
Yes.
Summer. Can't wait. Oh, my goodness. I can't wait. Let me see what else.
That's first week of August?
I think
like August 2nd or so.
I can't. We'll put it underneath the exact time.
Right.
Because I don't want to say the wrong dates.
No.
And then, besides that, it's just, lemon drops and, enjoying that.
White port and tonic.
Oh, yeah, and white port and tonic. But I do love the lemon drops. I do love that.
Well,
that's really yummy.
Sure, but I'm trying to keep this Portuguese.
Oh,
so
I can make it with Portuguese homemade liqueur. Hello? Yes.
I'm sticking to white port and tonic. I am a simple man.
Nothing simple about him. Nothing simple.
It's not true. It's just not.
So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that because I know. Oh, and one of our daughters, it's her 1-year anniversary of marriage. How quickly that was.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're planning for our last and third daughter, which is baby B of the twins. She's getting married next summer. So it's a lot of wonderful planning. It's all wonderful planning stuff.
So full summer with birthdays, anniversaries.
Yes.
Festas.
Yes.
A little bit of travel. Maybe we'll get to the beach.
I hope so. I hope we do, because last year we did not get to do that. We were filming.
See, we're already too busy for a yard sale. Too busy.
Well, we'll go to estate sales. I love estate sales. A good estate sale. I love that.
Mm-hmm.
But
so what does your family in San Miguel do in the summer? Because the weather's nice longer there. Do they differentiate like we do in the cold areas? We're like, oh my gosh, we've got to take advantage of the good weather.
Well, they take a month off for vacation, for summer vacation.
I already feel sad.
They do. They take a month off.
Oh, I get extra half. I get a lot of vacation time, by the way. My employer treats me very well. So I'm being facetious, but boy, a month off.
Yeah. But to ask your employer, I'm going to take a month off, I don't think so. That doesn't work in the United States. No. But they do. They take a month off and then and just enjoy it. And it is beach time, and it is cookouts, and it is spending time with family and relaxing and, doing all that. So
how relaxing is it going to be? The islands are so busy in the summer.
Well, we're talking about my family. So my family is not involved in tourism.
Well, I know, but I'm just overall for the islands are going to be busy.
Right. But at the same time, you've got people like my family who have their jobs, who have their, their own events that are happening that have nothing to do with tourism at all whatsoever. And what they're doing, whether it's in their quinta or having fun here, tourists aren't going to be around where they are. So it's, they're in a village that's not happening. So, so it's a little different. It's not the same. Granted, if they wanted to go to certain spots that are the key things to look at when you go there, that's going to be inundated with tourists. So they kind of stay away from that. They know. They know. But yeah, no, it's more relaxing. It's even more relaxing in the summer because everything is, just taking everybody's time. Everyone's on vacation. It's vacation mode, which is an amazing thing.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. So what are your plans for the summer? What do you want to do?
Well, my day job keeps me pretty busy. I don't know how much travel I'm going to have to do this summer, though.
Yeah.
So that tends to be the tent poles around everything else that we do. I've been working in the yard cleaning up the hydrangeas.
Yes, you have.
I just was not able to in the springtime, and I like to get to them just as they start to bud, but not go full-blown leafy, so I can see what's dead and needs to be trimmed out and I just wasn't able to. So I've been working on that, and I've got just a pile of brush in the backyard that needs to be taken care of. And last year we were so busy with filming, I really did nothing in the yard.
We didn't have time.
This year, in the next couple of weeks, I want to get some flowers planted. I've got to do some power washing and
fun stuff.
Just all that fun. So that for July, August, September.
Yeah.
The yard's an enjoyable place to live, not someplace to zip through and not look at. Because it just looks.
Well, you're right. Because last year we didn't have time. We were filming in June and July. So, and then we came back home, and then it was back out again and filmed, had a little bit of time. But that time we were home from filming, we rested because we were exhausted.
Yeah.
So, so this summer hopefully, it's like, it's not, we're going to take it a little slower.
But want to get out and do things like getting to the beach especially we really love like
having
sunset picnics and whatnot. That would be great.
Yeah.
Would like to get back to some of the restaurants we filmed at or didn't get to film at. That's always a treat. There's some museums we haven't gotten to.
Yeah.
MFA in Boston we haven't been to.
Yeah, we haven't been in a while. We're members there, but we still haven't gone there in a while.
And I think there's new exhibits at the Whaling Museum.
Yeah, there is.
That we need to go.
Yeah.
That we need to go take a look at.
Yeah.
So, I think we keep going with the podcasts. We get out and visit so that we are less like hermits, and we just have a lot of people to catch up with that we just haven't seen.
Yeah.
Struggled to see in the last year and a half because we were busy, and then because of COVID, we couldn't see
them. We couldn't see them at all. So, yeah. We have a lot to making up. And I know everyone who's listening to this was saying the same thing. We've got a lot to make up for. And, but yeah, so there'll be, I'm looking forward to summer. And hopefully you were talking about making it to the beach for sunset dinner. And it doesn't have to be a big thing. And I love it how sometimes we've even done like sandwiches. We've put together sandwiches with chips and or just sandwiches or whatever and drinks, and we head off to the beach when everybody is cleared out because they're there for the daytime, and we just have dinner right at the beach. And usually we're not that many people are there at that time, which is really great. So I highly recommend it. So if anyone who lives near a beach, dinner time beaches is a wonderful thing to do, and it doesn't cost much, does it? Just to do that, enjoy.
And then the other thing that we love about summer for us is CSA, the farm share program. It starts right after Memorial Day.
Yes.
So they always spoil their members, get great stuff, and trying to eat more vegetables, trying to maintain my swimsuit figure for our beach picnics. But it's so easy in the summer to eat better.
Yeah.
Because the food is here and it comes in such great quantities.
And, I don't know if there's a link to see where you have CSAs in each state or if there's something we can find.
There is actually. If you Google CSA Finder.
Yeah. Maybe we'll put that on this. We'll do that because we highly recommend it. We started doing, we were starting part of CSA long before COVID. And because my father was, he grew things for life. He was a farmer. And so I know how special being a farmer is. And it literally is a way to support them, because there are a lot of farmers who have to close up the farm because they don't generate enough income to pay for their job, for their work, to pay for family, for all their bills, all of these things. So CSA is a way to do it, because we buy a share of their work, of what they grow. So some years, the weather isn't great. We don't get as much, but that's okay, because he still gets paid. He still gets paid. And, and that's the way to keep that farm going. And then there's some years, like last year, for example, whew, what an abundance.
There was a lot of things. And by the way, I mean, our farmer also offers a half share.
Yes.
So that's a great alternative if you don't eat a lot of vegetables, but you want fresh and you want good. Half shares. It's affordable and it's a fair amount of food.
Yeah. What we do is we do a full share, and then I end up sometimes, because it's just the two of us, I bring it over to my aunt's house, or my sister's house, or or my cousin, or I'll call my cousin and go, hey, we're not going today. We'll be whatever going.
Or there's vegetables we've never seen before. We have no idea what to do with them.
Yes. Besides Googling them or going on Pinterest to see what we can do with it, or calling my aunt, and my aunt goes, oh yeah, I love that. Oh, okay. Then it goes over to her. So it's, I highly recommend it. It's a wonderful thing. So yeah, so looking forward to summer, trying to relax. In the meantime, trying to do so many things. So we have to find that perfect medium.
One day at a time.
Yeah.
Pace yourself.
Yeah.
Eat right. Get some sleep. And then you'll have a bon dia.
Oh, what? And that's the way to end it, folks. And that's the way to end it. You have a wonderful one, and
ciao.
Ciao.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'd love to hear your ideas for topics. Ciao.